Once a beautiful city, Antakya was one of the worst affected in the devastating earthquake that hit Turkey in February. As the country approaches elections on the weekend, Euronews Serbia finds that people who stayed on in the city are working hard to get back on their feet.
Biz şeyde yaşıyoruz, çadır kentte değil, kendi arabam var, transit. Çadırımıza su girdiği için onun içinde kalıyoruz. Konteyner çıkmasını bekliyoruz.
Imima runs a cafe. She says she was lucky as her house in the old part of the city was less damaged and for her life is slowly returning to normal. So she has no issues with who to vote for.
Devletimin başındaki insan, milletine yararı varsa kibar, en güzel şekilde onu seçeceğim. Çünkü Erdoğan'ım ben. Tayyip Erdoğan yani bu.
But many continue to live in tent cities or containers provided by the state. Some even bought the tents themselves and live outside the state camps. Others, like Saadet Guven, live outside the city and came home just to vote.
Başımıza neler geldi. Herkesin evi yıkıldı. Ne yardım var ne bir şey var. Yani kimse gelip sormadı bize. Kılıçdaroğlu'na vereceğim yani.
Aid workers on the ground say they see an increasing divide between those who intend voting for the incumbent president and those who won't.
Tüm Türkiye'de 21 yıllık iktidarlarında toplumda büyük bir kutuplaşma var. Bu kutuplaşma ne yazık ki hala aşılmadı ve zor bir seçim sürecinden geçiyoruz.
For those affected by the earthquake, the ruling party promises new homes within a year and a long repayment term. The opposition says it will give them for free. To what extent the residents of Antakya believe these promises will become clear after Sunday's election.